Hi there, I'm Mark News at Westward Law, and I'm here today to share with you my mission that I'm on. So I wanted to let you know about it. It's the first step of rolling it out, and that's that I would like to live in a world where everybody's taking a little time to think about their future. And that's more than just in passing. You know, you've actually sat down and thought a little bit about what the future holds for you. And I'm an estate planner, so that's what I do for a living. And when I talk about the future, I'm not talking about like, are we going to go to Mars or something like that, though I think that'd probably be pretty cool if we could get up there to Mars, put some people up there. But what I'm really talking about is, what's your life going to be like in the future? How's retirement going to look for you? And what happens to your family once you're gone? So, think about those things and set a little time aside for it. And you're going to want to write down some instructions for people, because that's what estate planning really is. It's putting it down on paper. It's getting it down so that your heirs, your beneficiaries, once you're gone, know what you want. They know what you intended, because really that's up to you. At least when it comes to your property and your things, you get to have a say so as to where your property is going to go, who's going to get it, when they're going to get it. Those kinds of things. So that's one of the great things about our system here of a legal system when it comes to wealth transfer, is that you have a say-so. It's still your property. So I'm going to accomplish that first by telling you about it. I'd like you to take some steps and then take action after you've thought about it for a while. But also see an attorney. Get it done right. If you've decided on a course of action, then you want to make sure you see an attorney and have your estate plan drawn up correctly. You want it to stand up to legal scrutiny. You want it done legal, as they say. Don't just get a form off the internet and fill it out and think it's going to be good enough, because generally it's not. There's all kinds of mistakes that get made. Estate law, wills, and trusts is all based on the state you live in. And so there's not 50 different forms that are out there for each state. And even if there were, there's so many different nuances within the state law that require different customizations that one form just wouldn't cut it for everybody in that state. So make sure you see somebody, get it done right. So that's the moral of the story. But I'm on this mission, so I'm going to try to get everybody to do that. And one of the things you can do is come see us here at Westward Law. We do a lot of estate planning. I do a lot of estate planning that has to do with tax, but a lot of estate planning doesn't have anything to do with tax. People don't have enough wealth to really implicate some of the tax rules that we have in the country, but there's lots of considerations legally that need to be made that are outside of the tax world. So just because you don't think you're going to be impacted by estate and gift taxes, for instance, you still want to make sure you get your will and trust done correctly. So I'm Mark News here at Westward Law. It's early in the morning and we're smoke free up here in Skagit County, so I felt good and thought I'd get out here and let you know what mission I'm on. Take care.